guys, welcome. Today we are going to do an unboxing of our Moj. It says Moj. Okay, anyhow, I am so excited to have these. Miss Tracy surprised me. I don't know how I'm gonna open this, but I'm gonna open it. So I think I have to open it. It has like that thing right here, so I'm just gonna do it this way. Okay, we're gonna start with the mint first. Oh, this, are you excited? I don't even know. It says like it has plush, but shall see, man. Uh-oh. Did it cut something? I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna do it this way. Man, the anticipation of this one is like really crazy. Yay. Okay. We're doing this, people. We're doing it. Otis. Oh, guys. Oh my God. Look what's inside. It's a plush toy. Oh my gosh. It's so soft. This is mine. I'm sorry, but this is mine. Tida. I want you to know, Tida, that this one, Tida, is mine. Tida. This is mine. Miss Tracy gave this to me. Who is this? Okay, so the characters are Niji. This is Niji. Right there. Alright, so, okay. There's this thing right here. Oh, okay, so it comes with, okay, come back here. Alright, sorry about that, you guys. I'm super excited. I don't know if you guys can tell. Alright, so I'm gonna open up this, if I could. Hi, Odos! My good boy. Alright, so this guy is Niji, the puppy. Right there. So, I have a puppy. Oh! And it has like a little butt right there. It's so soft. Okay. So, what is this? Surprise! It says. Aw, so you have like a little activity thing right there. And then you can color them, which I would love to do on my free time. That is so fun. Okay, so I'm going to put it back in the box. So, that's one. And then I open it up like this. This is so much fun. Oh my gosh. Like it went like that. Super cute. Okay, let's try the other one. Can we just talk how cute this boy is? This boy is so cute. This one is like beautiful, but it's like a diva. Alright, so let's do this. I want to make sure that I don't cut anything. Okay, so I'm gonna go for it, you guys. Series Clouds, it says. Okay. The packaging is really gorgeous, I have to say. Okay, what could be this? Even if I try to peek. Does it have it? No. Okay, let's see. Alright, this pink. Look at my boy. My boy is so cute. My boy is really cute. Let's move that in there. Actually, I'm gonna move that in there so they can see. Oh, look, you guys. I got a little bunny, and it is Trixie. I got Trixie. Oh my God. Look at Trixie. Oh my God. Oh, look how lovely my Trixie is. Hey, this is my Trixie. Miss Tracy gave this to me. This is entitled, man. Look at your brother. He's just sitting right there. This is my Trixie. This is my Trixie. My Trixie. Oh, no. Hi, my Trixie. Look at this baby. Hey! Don't bite my Trixie. And then Trixie's stuff is right here. I'm not going to open it because I'm pretty sure it's the same. Oh my God. So cute. Okay. That's the sticker. I'm going to put Trixie back because someone wants Trixie. This is not yours. This is mine. Miss Tracy gave this to me. This is not yours. It's this Abby. Look. Hi, Odus. Odusi. Look at my cute little bunny. Boom. And my cute little... Okay. So next, we got this one. Last one, Tilda. Okay. How do we open this? Okay. Guys, I'm so excited. Can we just talk about the packaging and the colors? Thank you so much, Miss Tracy. You're the best. Okay. Got it right there. Slit open. Excuse me, Tilda. We have warm lights in here, so I cannot see what I'm doing. Guys, we have Dandelion right here. Okay? Because he's picking at me right there. Oh my gosh. Ta-da! Look how gorgeous this is. Can we just talk about it? Oh my good Lord. Do, 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 do. Pookie, 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 pookie. Not yours. This is Dandelion. Oh my gosh, I swear this is so soft, you guys. So soft. And let's see. Ah, look at that. All right. I hope that I get more of these. I will collect. So I'm missing Cosmo and then Twinkle Toast and Ollie Lou. So I'm missing 3 more. But yes, these are so much fun, you guys. And I really enjoy opening it. I like blind bags like this. Well, you all know it by now because if you watch my videos, you know that I love them. So these are my lovely Moch from Miss Tracy. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye, guys. Say bye. Say bye to everyone. Bye. Thank you for watching my mommy's video.